among us lawyers, when we watch good lawyers, no, yung talagang mga patikan na naglalabanan, you try to watch the cross-examination segment. Kasi yan ang yan talagang bakbakan dyan eh. That is an art. But I thought that for whatever reason, the defense panel was sending in yung kanilang yung kanilang mga foot soldiers, hindi yung mga generals, no? Ito sa Binluan o si Narbasa. Narbasa carried a very prestigious name, but I think he's third generation. These are newbies, no? Even in the courtroom, sa tingin ko yung courtroom conduct nila hindi maganda. Ito si Binluan. You know, he's prone to making snide remarks. For his ego, it might be good for his own ego, or maybe even for the morale of his panel members, no, defense panel members. But for the case, it's not good. And even for the viewers, it's not good. Kasi nakikita nila, bakit ganito itong abogado na to, kung ano-anong sinasabi, di ba? He could not conduct a really good cross-examination. Look at this, ha? Inobject ka na niya yung affidavit ni Las Cañas. Sabi niya kasi it has no signature and it has not been notarized. Good. Which means to say, any content of the Las Cañas affidavit cannot enter into evidence. Kasi hindi dapat paniwalaan eh. Because that's a private statement eh. Hindi notarized eh. Hindi man lang signed. So you cannot even determine whether that is really Las Cañas. Las Cañas was not even in the witness stand.
Yeah.
So, nung una, ino-objectan niya yun, ang ginawa niya, continuing objection, sabi niya. Congresswoman Luistro was able to outfax him, no? Easily. Kasi, sabi ni Luistro, well, this is part of the narration of Matibag. Si Cheese naman, as presiding officer, inallow. O sige, allowed ka to ask more questions. So she asked questions, and Matibag was reading from the affidavit, and Luistro was asking the read portion to be bracketed, as if it were already evidence.
Oh, well, hindi pa naman yun part ng even in pre-trial.
Dapat yun, kung magaling ang defense lawyer, hinarang na yun. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun. Absolutely, hindi pwede yun.
Okay.
Sa trial, absolutely, ha? But what he did was put a continuing objection. Now, what is a continuing objection? It's an objection that you believe that the question should not be asked and are inadmissible. The answers will be inadmissible so that when you appeal, you can use it.
Okay.
Wala appeal ang impeachment eh.